The Renault Zoe has reached its second generation and promises to be better overall compared to its predecessor. A rival of sorts to the likes of the Peugeot E208 and Opel, Vauxhall Corsa-e newcomers, the 2020 Zoe gets a 52 kWh battery that ensures a WLTP-certified range of up to 242 miles or 389 kilometers. With a 30% bigger capacity over the old one and identical dimensions, this lithium-ion battery also supports fast charging. Using the new 50 kW DC charging option, for 30 minutes will give it a range of around 90 miles or 145 kilometers, whereas plugging it in a 22 kW public charger for 1 hour, results in a 78-mile or 126 kilometers range. Charging it from 0 to 100% is an overnight process when using the 7 kW Wallbox, which takes 9 hours and 25 minutes. Another big update is the addition of the R135 motor, which delivers 100 kilowatts and 181 pounds-to-foot of torque, hooked up to a single-speed gearbox. In this guise, the new Zoe takes 10 seconds to accelerate to 62 miles per hour, 100 kilometers per hour, and maxes out at 87 miles per hour, 140 kilometers per hour. From 50 to 75 miles per hour, 80 to 120 kilometers per hour, Renault says it needs 7.1 seconds, a 2.2-second improvement compared to the R110 electric motor, which carries over with 80 kilowatts, 110 PS, 108 horsepower. Both versions of the car get the new B-mode driving function, which facilitates one-pedal driving. The D-mode remains an integrated part that will come in handy when the vehicle is traveling at a constant speed, outside cities. Switching between the two modes requires operating the new E-shifter, while other novelties include the new braking system and automatic parking brake. Safety-wise, the 2020 Zoe is equipped with a generous suite of systems, like active emergency braking, lane departure warning, lane keeping assist, traffic sign recognition, blind spot monitoring, easy park assist, auto hill hold and auto high, low beam headlights.